Hey y'all, welcome to my kitchen. Look, y'all, I gotta tell you, I know, y'all, it's a 2x4 with some screws in it, okay? And I get that, and I know that's what it is. But y'all just understand, like, how awesome it is to just be able to just reach up here and grab. Now, I've ordered me something from Amazon to organize the lids up on the wall too. And I cannot wait for y'all to see it. So right now, I've just finished dinner, okay guys? And let me tell you, there it is. I don't usually, for a Monday, I don't usually pull out all the stops like I have tonight. But tonight, I have really outdone myself, okay? So stay right there and you're about to see a gourmet meal. I've been working extra hard, slaving over a hot stove. And now, these boys are going to get their reward. It's not dinner delivery. It's DiGiorno's. Yes, honey. Went all out tonight. And look here. We're going to serve it on the fine china. Listen, guys. If you got to get dinner on the table, sometimes a DiGiorno pizza will get the job done. Okay. So we're gonna cut this thing up. Got my Rita pizza cutter. We're gonna cut them up. I'm gonna give I only cooked one pizza. I'm not eating. I filled up on chicken salad earlier. So, oh Lord. Come on, Fire Devil. So we've got DiGiorno pizza. And I found a couple pieces of cheesy toast up in the freezer that needed used up. Guys, we already had this. This is in the freezer. So, this is what's for dinner tonight. Go with the core a little bit. See, look at that. Look how easy that was. I popped it in the oven about 15, 20 minutes ago. And now we have dinner. And you can judge me if you want to. That's fine. But hey, these guys are going to be happy. Their bellies are going to be full. And should have waited. Just pulled this out of the oven. I'm gonna get Dana wants that second piece. He can hold it. Okay, guys. Dana made these dinner. And we're done. And you know what? I'm okay with that. And some nights, guys, you can be okay with that. It was between this and one of those frozen lasagnas. And Anthony chose pizza. And Ben loves pizza. So, just like that, dinner's done. They got a hot meal. They're going to get something to drink. And we'll heat up these 2 pieces of garlic toast. What, baby? It's almost bedtime, honey. We're running a little late tonight. Anthony didn't get off work till late, so we're going to get dinner and get a bath and get in the bed. We're going to be running a little bit behind schedule, but he did have a nap today after school, so I think it's going to all work out. I love yous. Hope y'all enjoyed the chicken salad video today. Real quick. I ended up with 2 of these 1-quart deli containers full of chicken salad. So we're going to eat a lot of chicken salad for lunch this week. Sometimes we might have a sandwich. Sometimes we might just put it on top of a green salad. So, you know, we're just going to get creative with it. We're trying not to do any grocery shopping this week. My pantries and my freezers are overflowing, and I need to use what I have. As y'all know, gas prices have went through the roof. Anthony and I both drive V8 vehicles, and we both do a lot of driving. I don't do as much as he does. He's got to go to Lexington and back tomorrow for work, so you know we're gonna eat out the pantry this week. And it's not going to be fancy, but it's going to be good quality. It's going to be hot. It's going to be delicious. So, I'll see y'all later. And I love you guys. And I thank y'all so much. Please do all the things. Like, share, comment. And hopefully we can make this thing happen. I love y'all. Bye.